Hey guys, welcome back to Country View Acres. You know, I don't think I could have asked for a better day to bale hay. It is 76 degrees outside. There's about a 10-mile-an-hour wind. It's nice and sunny. It's just a beautiful day. And it's been a lot cooler here lately, so I've let the hay dry one extra day to try to make sure that it's dry. And I'm pretty sure everything is dry. There's only one section I'm worried about, and it's the south side of the field stays in the shade most of the day. So you can see that the windrow behind me is almost completely shaded. It's about 1 in the afternoon right now, and this is pretty much the maximum sun that it's going to get. And this is the area that was actually still wet when I cut it with the sickle bar mower. So I wasn't intending on tedding the hay this time, but then when I ran into this area being wet, I decided to go ahead and ted the field. So I didn't get much film footage of that. I did ted it. I did it at a lot lower RPM, and I only was throwing the hay about 3 to 5 feet out of the back. So I was a lot more gentler with the hay this time, and I was going at a pretty good speed of the tractor driving through the field. So it was really quick to be able to ted the whole field. So this section here, I'm still concerned that it may not be as dry as the rest of the field. So I'm going to save that till last. And all through the field today, considering the cooler conditions, I'm going to be checking the moisture of the hay as I bale it. So I'm just going to be continually checking. I was able to get that moisture probe. I was able to get that off a guy that I used to work with, and it sure does give you a lot of peace of mind knowing that you're not putting away any wet bales. So let's go ahead and head back over to the tractor and get going. So the first thing I got to do is I've got to get this to slide over into the baling position. And the mechanism doesn't work anymore, so I got to kind of do it manually. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So the first thing I need to do is pull this pin back, which it might not want to come. There we go. And then to hold it out, since I can't pull on it from the tractor, I'm just going to shove this crescent wrench in there. Now I'm going to put a block of wood in front of my rear right tire and pull forward. Going slow. Trying not to go over a piece of wood. I think I need a bigger piece of wood. Well, I had one bale fall off the wagon and bust open. It actually was tied. I got both of the wires here. It was tied, but the way it fell off the wagon, it must have caused it to come apart. And then I lost a bright red hay hook. Fell off the wagon somewhere. You'd think it'd stick out like a sore thumb in this green field. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure that the hay hook's not in there, but I'm gonna, because I've moved it around to verify, I'm gonna try to take the baler through this real slow, try not to clog up the baler, see if we can pick that back up. Well, here it is. A little hard to see it down here in the shade, but go figure, it's point up right where I could have poked it through a tire. Well, we got about 2 windrows left and I ran out of baling wire. So let me clear all these bales. They're actually tied on one side and not the other right now, but the other side's gonna run out any minute. So I was pretty sure I was gonna run out of baling wire today, so I bought a couple boxes. So as soon as I get this chute cleaned out, we'll go ahead and change the wire in the baler. And it's pulling out like 5 wires that are all going back, trying to go through the ceramic. Oh man, I may not make it through this.